Welcome back to my kitchen where I'm showing you simple laundry room DIYs to help you eliminate chemicals and toxins in your home. The laundry room is a big culprit. There are lots of chemicals involved in all of the things we do in laundry. Today I'm going to show you a DIY linen spray that you're going to love year round because there are so many options. And don't we love our clothing to smell amazing? I mean, that's why we usually use dryer sheets or bounce sheets, but this is gonna be way better for you and so simple. So you're gonna use an 8-ounce spray bottle. You could make it bigger if you want and double the size. You're gonna use either rubbing alcohol or witch hazel, 1/4 cup. So we're gonna pour that right in right now, 1/4 cup of, I'm using witch hazel. And then we're going to add 30 drops of essential oil. You can choose whatever combination you like. So around the seasonal holidays, you might choose, some frankincense or some Siberian fir. If it's springtime, you might choose more floral and citrus aromas. That's what I'm choosing today. I'm choosing Citrus Bliss with doTERRA and Serenity. So you're gonna use 15 drops of both. Put them in your container. I love these two aromas and I can't wait for my next load of laundry and my sheets to smell like these. 15 drops of each. Then you're going to fill the rest, top it up with distilled water. Excellent. You're gonna put your spray top on, shake it up, and when your laundry is dry, just before you're gonna fold and put away, or maybe it's on the line and you're drying it there, just gonna spray down. You're gonna love this on your bed sheets. You could even turn down your sheets or your comforter at night, quickly spritz down, let it dry. Don't soak it. And you're gonna have this aroma to help you fall asleep. So you might choose in that case lavender or Serenity or Adaptive. There are so many combinations. I hope you enjoy this quick, easy, cost-effective, natural tip. If you got something out of this video, just hit like or subscribe and I'll continue to share more.